Chef, and I want to show you today what I've been working on. I've been working on bottling up my spices. I have several orders that are going out. We got the chicken seasoning. This is very good on chicken as well as pork and fish. Very good. Visit the website, get your bottle of this. We got the all-purpose seasoning, which is a very good seasoning blend as well. And one of my favorites now is the Alabama jerk seasoning. It's inspired by Jamaican jerk, but I have a few other things in here to make it my own. This Alabama jerk seasoning. And I've also today, the last couple of days, for a minute, been working on a cookbook. How many of you guys like chicken? Not just chicken, but fried chicken. There's nothing like good, old, crispy fried chicken. And most people that cook chicken, they only have one method of frying your chicken. And at the most, two sure ways of frying the chicken, and that's pushing it. But my book is entitled, There's More Than One Way to Fry Chicken. It's always good if you're the one that they're counting on to supply the chicken, or cook the chicken, fry the chicken, however you do it. It's always good to have several recipes in your repertoire of recipes so that they never know where you're coming from. The only thing they know is that when you show up with the chicken or when you prepare the fried chicken, that it's going to be good. And this recipe book has at least 15 unique fried chicken recipes. We got a recipe in there that deals with you use potato chips. We got a recipe in there where the marinade is actually lemonade. A couple other recipes, I won't give it all. We got another one in there that deals with you use ranch in the frying process. But another one, flaming hot Cheetos. So there's a plethora of recipes in there. Just go to the website. You can see the link somewhere around here. If it's not in here now, you'll see it in the comments. But go there, check out the website, order your copy. It's an ebook, so it'll be downloaded to your email, and you can start cooking today, frying today, frying tomorrow. So thanks again for your support, and thanks for being a part of the Urban Soul Kitchen. God bless you. Hey, this is DeWayne Morris, the Urban Soul Chef, and I would like for you to visit my website, check out my 3 seasonings that I have. I have the all-purpose seasoning here. We got the chicken seasoning, and we have the Jamaican, well, Alabama jerk seasoning. It's inspired by Jamaican jerk seasoning, but it's different. I want you to give those a try by visiting my website. You'll see a link somewhere in the comment section or somewhere in the description. Feel free to visit. And also, I have a cookbook. How many people like fried chicken? There aren't many people that don't like it. And most people that cook fried chicken only cooks it one way, or possibly two ways of cooking it. But I want to tell you, there's more than one way to fry chicken, and that's what my book is entitled. It's an ebook. You can find the link somewhere in the announcements, and go there and order one of those ebooks. Your orders and your support helps to help me manage this group. This group is a big group, and it takes a lot of time. So that type of support helps us in managing the group. So check out seasonings and order one of the cookbooks. Talk to you later.